In this video, I'll show you how to boot into safe mode on Windows 11. Firstly, launch the Start menu and click on the gear icon. Alternatively, press Windows plus I. Select System from the Settings menu and scroll down, click on Recovery. Under the Recovery options selection, locate Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Confirm the action when prompted. On the Choose an Option screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Next, select Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options menu, click Startup Settings, then press Restart to proceed. After the computer restarts, you'll see a list of startup options. Press F4 or 4 for safe mode, or F5 for safe mode with networking, or F6 safe mode with command prompt. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.